Good morning. Myself Ashakila Devi, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the subject CS 3391 Object Oriented Programming. In this subject, today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Java Fx Scrollpane. So a Fx Scrollpane, it's a container, and it has two scroll bars around the UI component in horizontal and vertical directions. So this component is larger than the visible area of the scroll pane area. So these scroll bars are enabled to the user for scrolling around the UI component. So either if you want to move it in vertical direction or horizontal direction, the particular scroll pane, we can go for this scroll pane control. The Java FX package is available with this component, that is within that javafx.scene.control. So under that we have that scroll pane package. So what is the advantage of this Scrollpane packages? It is allowed to view the complete elements of the particular page either in a horizontal way and also in a vertical way. And what is the constructor we are using for this is Scrollpane, where S and P are capital letter. So this is a default constructor which is used to create a Scrollpane instance. So what are the methods we are using in this is we are using set content of and set panable of. So set content of, what is the use of this is it is used with the scroll pane for set any content to the scroll bar instance. So what is the use of set panable of is we can either give the value as true or false. It is a method which is used in Java FX, which is used to preview the image by clicking or moving the particular cursor on the scroll pane. By default we will get this set panable value as false. Next is set preference size. It is a method which is used in Scrollpane for set the preferable size for the Scrollpane, and V bar policy which is used to with the Scrollpane for setting the vertical policy for the Scrollpane, and H bar policy which is used for the Scrollpane, which is used to set the horizontal policy for the Scrollpane. And how we can create a Scrollpane in Java FX is for first we have to create a Scrollpane by using Java FX component. Then the scroll pane can be instantiated by using the new keyword. For example, you have to create like this. You have to create an object for this. Scroll pane object is equal to new scroll pane of. Okay, by next you have to add the content to the scroll pane policies, or you have to set the panable properties for the scroll pane in the second step. So for that we can use scrollpane.set content of, or you can use scrollpane.set vbar policy, or we can set the set hbar policy. Next we have to create the title pane or any other display for this. So that for this we have to use a syntax that we have to create an object for title pane. So title pane object is equal to new title pane of, so which will give you the horizontal box. Okay, so next after that we have to create a scene, means the screen should be displayed in the output in the fourth step. So for that we have to use object for the screen. So you have to create an object like this. Screen object is equal to new screen of, you have to mention the pan value, then length and width. And next after creating this we have to add a scene to the reference screen. So for adding this scene you have to use stage.setScene of. Inside that you have to mention the URL of the scene. Then finally you have to display the output of the screen. For that you have to use a showoff method. So first you have to use the object of stage, so stage.showoff. So this is how we can use the scroll pane in Java FX.